Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day. My name is Michelle Rondin. I'm 36 years old. I'm single mom. My religion is Catholic. I have 3 kids. I'm high school graduate.
What age is you taking? What age is your kids?
19 years old, 13 years old, and 11 years old.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have experience abroad as a domestic helper. Five experience abroad. My first experience abroad is from Saudi Arabia. 1 year and 7 months.
Why?
Because they not agree my contract agreement about my salary.
How about second employer?
My second employer is from Oman.
Qatar?
Yes, Qatar.
Okay. How many years you experience in Qatar?
Only 1 year.
Why 1 year?
Because attempt of the harass me.
How about the third employer?
My third employer is from Oman. I finished my contract 2 years.
How about fourth employer?
Only 5 months in Hong Kong.
Why not finish contract?
I break my contract because I have a family problem because of my children is left to my husband.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
My previous employer duty is take care of children, wash the clothes, laundry, and cleaning.
What age is you taking care of the children?
3 years old, 4 years old, and 15 years old.
Okay. How do you overcome your homesickness?
I make myself busy.
If you are committed mistaking your employer, what will you do?
I will say sorry. I will say sorry and I will not do it again.
If you are holiday or day off, what will you do before you go out from your employer house?
Before I leave in house to my employer, I will make sure the house of my employer is clean, and I will take some permission I leave to them house.
If what if the mother of your employer doesn't speak English? How did you communicate with them?
I will use sign language. Then I willing to learn about to learn how to teach about their language.
Why should the employer hire you?
Because I'm hardworking, God-fearing, and honest.
Do you have last message to your future employer? Can you tell them now?
I promise to my employer I will make sure to finish my 2 years contract. God bless and thank you.
Thank you so much.